Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how you can easily remove Google account on your Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to Settings. Now go to Accounts and Profiles. Here you will see the Google TV accounts. Now here, all we have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until we see Remove. Here we will click Remove, and here all we can do is sign in with another account because it requires us to have at least one account connected, or remove and reset device, or simply cancel. So if you want to remove your account, then simply click on sign in with another account or remove and reset device, and that would be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.